Hi, today's question is identify the incorrect statement among these all four. First one is benzylamine is stronger base than aniline. This is not an aromatic amine. This is aliphatic, and due to aliphatic system, the availability of lone pair of electron over this amine is more with respect to the aniline because it takes part in the resonance of the ring system. So yes, this is correct. Para-methoxyaniline can be synthesized by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. No, it cannot be. Only primary amine can be synthesized through Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Specifically, aliphatic primary amine only can be synthesized by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Next is Br2NaOH is reacting with CuNH2. Primary aromatic amine will be produced or not, that is the question. This is Hofmann-Bromide reaction. In Hofmann-Bromide reaction, what happens? There is one CO will be removed and this NH2 will be restructured and obviously gonna produce this molecule, and which is benzyl amine. Benzyl amine is not the primary aromatic amine. It is aliphatic amine. So this is also incorrect. Next, NH2 paraposition nitro is treated with sodium NaNO2, that gonna produce BDC derivatives, benzene diazonium chloride derivative, which is later heat directly. Then what will it produce? First it gonna produce from the first step N2 plus Cl minus. This is a nitro BDC derivative, and because of it gonna produce phenol, right? And when it produces phenol, phenol has H plus, which is acidic in nature, and in presence of NaOH it will dissolve to produce a sodium salt. So this statement is also correct. So B and C are incorrect statement. So the correct option is B and C only. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment below.